Alrighty, so listen, we're going to be installing Solus OS. I'm going to be doing this inside of a virtual box, a virtual machine. Works the same way whether you're using an actual physical machine or doing it on the virtual machine. So first you're going to be prompted up. You'll see the icon that says Install OS. Go ahead and click that. You'll see the different languages. I'm going to choose English because that's what I speak. So here it's going to be more of like a locational thing, finding your location automatically. Go ahead and select it if you want to. I'm in the US, so it chose the US. English. Now I just need to find my time zone. No, there we go. Chicago time zone, Central time zone I should say. Alright, so let's see here. Where should we install? Okay. Do advanced installation options. Do I need to click that? Nah. No, I don't think I need to click that. Alright, so next. And alright, so now I just need to type in the name for the network. Alright, yeah, I don't know why I capitalized the M and the B and put a space. Let's go ahead and redo that. Okay. Alright, so next we're gonna put who uses this device. Alright, Michael Bender, one word. Alright, real name Michael Bender. Let's choose a password. Let's confirm the password. Let's add that one now. Alright, go hit next. That's all good. Alright, now let's go ahead and install it. Alright, hit OK. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and fast forward some things. Okay, and boom. So restart now, and we're good.